Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on Zelle. Let's get straight into it. So the first step is to open the Zelle's app, or you can access it through your bank's mobile app. And once you're in there and you're logged into your account, just tap on the settings or account tab. Next, you want to tap on security or two-factor authentication. And once you have that open, you want to choose a two-factor authentication method. So you could use a text message, where you're going to receive a verification code via text message, or you could use an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, and you can also receive a verification code via voice call if you want. Next is to set up two-factor authentication. So just if you choose the text message option, just enter your phone number and you're gonna receive a verification code. And if you're using an authenticator app, what you want to do is to scan a QR code or enter a secret key that's gonna be sent to you to set up the authenticator app. Or if you're using the voice call, you're gonna receive a notification code via voice call, and just enter that in to complete the setup. Next is to confirm two-factor authentication. So you want to make sure that you confirm that two-factor authentication is set up correctly by logging out and logging back into Zelle, and then check if two-factor authentication is properly set up. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up two-factor authentication on Zelle. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.